Test 1, 2. Okay, master is on, screens are up, flaps are coming up. Boost pumps on, mixture's rich. PMAG left and right on, and clear prop.
Message.
Couple strokes of throttle, and
Message.
away we go.
Electrical current.
At high amps current during cranking. Strobes on. We'll go to menu checklist. Pre-taxi, oil pressure is good. Volts and amps are good. Boost pump is off, flaps are up, mixture is lean on the ground. Comm radio is set, altimeter is set. Back, let's go to our run up, okay. Taxi out. Norman Gray traffic, silver RV, crossing runway, midfield on the ground. Okay, passenger briefing, don't have one. Oil temp, we need 80. Come up a bit. Mixture is lean on the ground. We'll come up to 1700. Left PMAG, good. Right PMAG, good. Hold up on the left, it's good. Hold up on the right, it's good. EI commander shows good. Propeller, pull the cycle. Low and high. Prop is good. Carb heat. Is this an RPM drop? It's also good. Seat belts are tight. Canopy is latched. Controls are free and correct. All good. Autopilot servos are on. Wigwag is on. Now we just wait for oil temp to stabilize a little bit higher. Norman Gear traffic RV-8 Tango Tango is departing 33 at rear. Okay, mixture rich, boost pump on, and away we go.
Angle, angle, push, angle, angle, push.
And we'll dial the prop back to 2500. And turn the boost pump off. Pull it back to 23 squared. on altitude hold. Flying on heading bug mode. Bring the heading around 90 degrees. Rolling out on heading, holding altitude. We'll turn heading a little to the left here. Okay, I want to go direct, Norm Greer. Autopilot. HSI, no, there.
Autopilot mode. Autopilot mode.
Okay, we're in altitude hold and on nav mode. And it is swinging us around. Let's go back to Greer. Still holding altitude fine. And we're rolling out on intercept. Gonna take it off of altitude hold.
Disconnect.
We'll start descending a bit. We'll let the nav keep flying us in. Boost pump is on. And we will disconnect the autopilot.
Will disconnect.
Flaps.
Bringing the flaps down. bit high, so let's flip. Flaps are down, we're coming down, trimming up, nose up, nose up. Lots of trim. There we are. Looking good.
Approaching altitude.
There we are. Now come right in and do a wheel landing. Okay, boost pump off. Start dialing the trim back down, nose down, in case you wanted to go around. But we're all good. Set it down. And we're back.